In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Ipynb file from Jupyter Notebook as PDF. This is perfect when you need a clean, shareable copy of your notebook for reports, reviews, or printing. We'll walk through the exact path inside Jupyter, and I'll also show you what to do if you see an error during export. Start by opening Jupyter Notebook in your web browser so you're on the home page where your files are listed. Navigate to the folder that contains the notebook you want to export, then click the Ipynb file to open it. Give the notebook a moment to load fully, especially if it has large outputs or plots. At the top of the notebook, click the File menu. From there, move your cursor to Save and Export Notebook As. A submenu will appear with several formats. Choose PDF. Jupyter will start converting your notebook, which can take a bit of time depending on the size of your content and any figures it needs to render. When it's done, your browser should download the PDF automatically. If you don't see it right away, check your Downloads folder. If you encounter an error during this step, it's often because the system can't find the tools it needs to build a PDF. Jupyter's PDF export relies on a text distribution. To resolve this, go to the mictext download page at mictext.org/download. Download the installer for your operating system and run it, accepting the default options unless you have specific requirements. The installation may take a few minutes as it sets up the components needed for typesetting. Once that's finished, return to your notebook and repeat the export. File, Save and Export Notebook As, then PDF. The conversion should now complete successfully. That's it. You've exported your .ipynb as a polished PDF ready to share or archive. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.